And
You said
again,
in
as I said, I read
solo
all.
leveling that
Sorry.
And some of them draw much better than like some popular mangakas. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes, I know
But
exactly
yeah,
what Sid's talking
what
about.
were you saying? But what
I
were
said
you
in
saying?
solo leveling that he wins all his fights. The main character always wins his fights.
Yeah, he
How is
always
it?
wins his fights.
How is it? That sounds rather something around the lines of One Punch Man. Then
That's
Yeah.
the thing.
Wins
That's
all
the
his
thing,
fights.
right?
Flat
I
out.
hate characters who are OP. Okay, good stories never have OP characters. Good stories always have characters with flaws. Okay, because that's what makes it believable. Because if like Seven Deadly Sins has the freaking Demon King, who's supposed to be one of the strongest, beings in the universe of the world they're in, and he gets his butt handed to him in multiple ways, in multiple forms. So it becomes a little unbelievable. You're like, really, the Demon King, who literally granted a bit of his power to these guys, he's getting his butt kicked by these same guys. But in this, okay, and I'll tell you what the base storyline is, okay?
It's just
this
he
dude-
likes it because he likes Tales of Pirates.
For
That's why he
anyone who
likes
still
it.
remembers that, by the way.
He only likes the OP character because he likes Tales of
No,
Pirates.
it's not only Tales of Pirates. Like, okay, I also played Ragnarok
I'm
Online.
kidding,
I think
I'm
was
kidding.
it
Yeah,
Ragnarok
yeah.
Online? I forgot
Yeah,
the
I
name of the
think
game.
it was, yeah.
I don't remember.
And what is
But
it?
yeah.
What is the other one? Bionicle Online.
Oh, you played
Bionicle,
Bionicle.
Yeah, I
had
played
the toys.
I
but
played
yeah.
I never had the toys, but I played Bionicle the game, and I played online. And also, I didn't know Bionicle had toys at the start because I thought it was just a game, and I didn't realize that they were actual figurines which were
Oh.
made for that.
It's the opposite for
Yeah.
me. I didn't know about the game. I knew the toys.
The game was really freaking good. But yeah, so basically what happens is, okay, so this guy, okay, he is a wimpy little E rank who is in a world. He's in a world where some people can awaken and become hunters. So these guys hunt these magical creatures who appear in dungeons where gates randomly open up in their world, and these gates are ranked from like S to E or D. Sorry, yeah, S to E, and this dude is on like the weakest rank. Okay, he's on the E rank. So what he does is he joins this other group just to go fighting this C rank dungeon, so that he can get like some spoils of war and some money to take care of his mother who's in the hospital and his sister who needs to go to college and all that.
Yeah.
But what happens is there's like a double dungeon. So the C rank dungeon. So the dungeons cannot be closed, cannot be finished until you destroy the boss. Except the boss in the C rank dungeon is actually like an SSSSSSS rank. Okay, it's like the most OP boss they've ever faced ever.
Is it like a glitch in this thing dungeon? Because
Yeah, it's
or
like a
is it
thing
on
that nobody
purpose
even
the E rank
people
has?
thought it was like a myth, like double dungeons don't actually exist. But these guys stumble upon one, and there are certain rules that they all try to follow, and the main guy tries to use his brains to help them survive, but eventually he's left as a sacrifice because he loses a leg, so he's like, just leave me and go. And what happens is, right before he's about to die, right before an axe comes swinging down on him, he gets this little pop-up that says, you have unlocked a quest, the courage of the weak. Do you wish to accept? Okay, so he accepts it with his last dying breath, and he wakes up in the hospital. He's completely fine. His leg, which was cut off, has been recovered fully, which is supposed to be next to impossible unless you have a very high rank healer. And he sees this little pop-up, with like a game pop-up above him in his hospital bed, and he's like, what the hell is this? And it's given him like daily tasks. Okay, it's like do 100 push-ups, do 100 sit-ups, run 10 kilometers and all that. And there's a line
It's
saying,
like the quest.
yeah, it's a quest, and there's a line saying, if you don't finish your daily quest, there will be a penalty. And this dude's like, you know what, I literally just almost died. I cannot do this. I'm in the hospital for heaven's sake, so I can't be exercising right now. And he ignores it, and nobody else can see this pop-up. Okay, and then he gets he ignores it, and then the pop-up is like, hey, you didn't finish your daily quest, so now it's time for your penalty. And his penalty is being basically isekai'd to another plane or another area in the world where there's like these extremely high level demons that are trying to kill him, and his only mission in that quest is to survive for 4 hours, not kill anything. He literally just has to survive for 4 hours. That's his penalty.
Oh, wow.
Huh.
And then he religiously
That's
does his
interesting.
quests from that day onwards. He's like, I never want to go fight that centipede monster again in my life. It is insane.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, and as he keeps completing
But
his
wait.
quests, he gets XP. Yeah.
Before you can, I have one question. Like, so how do they get into this world? Is it like a Sword Art Online type of thing? Where
No,
they
this is
put
their
VR
normal
thing,
world.
or
This is their normal world. It's our
Oh,
world, but
so it's
monsters
not a
start
game.
coming up. Yeah, it's not a game.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. So it's not an isekai.
It's not an isekai.
Okay.
It's not an isekai at all. But
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
But
yeah,
basically, what happens is so what is a normal world for most of the people, for everybody? This one guy gets into a game-like system. So he's the only one
I see.
who can level up like this. So he does these daily tasks. He keeps leveling up. Then he gets access to like a small dungeon with a key as one of his rewards. So he fights like these wolves, and then after the wolves, he goes fights other bigger bosses, and he keeps going on and on. And so what happens is this guy is literally the only guy in the entire world who can level up his rank of hunter when nobody else can. So if for example if
see.
somebody awakens as a hunter and they get an S rank, they're going to be an S rank. They can train their body as much as they want, but they'll still be an S rank of a certain power.
Yeah.
But this guy starts off as an E rank and rises up in rank like crazy because he keeps going into different dungeons and he keeps leveling up because of his abilities. So he's basically playing an MMORPG, but it's not an MMORPG because there is no MMO part there. It's just him.
Yeah, that does sound like what Kirito also did in the beginning of Sword
Yeah,
Art
exactly,
Online, right?
exactly. And the thing is,
Yeah.
the thing is like this guy again is very similar to Sword Art Online in the sense that he kills random creatures and he keeps leveling up.
Yeah.
But here he uses those powers in other situations, while Kirito was more of, okay, I became an OP boss already, now I will start fighting different people.
Now I just get bored and sit in one place forever.
Basically.
But yeah.
But this guy actually goes on to challenge different things. He in the end he clears dungeons on his own. He goes and fights like other S tier people, and nobody can believe it because according to the official documentation of the South Korean government, he is an E rank, and everyone's like, ha, E
I
rank,
see.
ha, lamao, and then he wrecks everybody, and they're all like, ha, is this guy
He's a
an E
Smurf.
rank? Yeah, he's basically a Smurf.
That does remind me a lot of One Punch Man. I'm not even joking.
Yeah,
because,
it does. It
even
definitely
when
does.
he is also, even One Punch Man is like a lower rank. Even later, he goes from C to B, but he's actually
he's like a
stronger
C,
than he's stronger than all the S class heroes
Yeah.
also, right? And people are like, oh, you're a B rank. What are you gonna do? Get out of here. So it really does remind me of that. Yeah.
At the end of season 1, there's like a whole calamity coming down upon the planet, and he
Yeah,
takes
he
out the
takes it
head
out.
alien that was
That's
bringing
like-
this
that's
calamity.
like
Whereas
so
the other S-class
old.
heroes are just standing there like, nothing to be done.
Yeah, but the thing is here,
It's,
right?
yeah.
It's a little less like One Punch Man because One Punch Man Saitama starts out the manga as OP as hell. Like he is from the first chapter he's OP as hell. But here this guy
we get his backstory later, but yeah, from the beginning they show the crab demon thing. Yeah, so
Yeah.
he's already OP. Yeah.
this guy here is weak as shit. He's useless. He's absolutely useless. In fact, he starts off the manga being called the weakest hunter in the world. Okay, that's his title. That's the title he's earned through his various achievements of nothing. So he starts off extremely weak and he keeps getting more and more powerful, and as time goes on you see his power increasing. So that it's really cool. The way the monsters are really interesting, and eventually he gets this is spoilers, so if any of you are listening, please stop listening for the next 2 minutes. Don't quit the stream. I will kill you.
Is this the guy, the one in the suit in the picture?
Yeah,
That's
that's the
main
guy, yeah.
that you put.
Yeah.
I see.
So basically he gets like this.
Viewers
He
will
gets
be the
an
best. I
option.
also want to read it.
Yeah.
Tell me. Tell.
He gets this option to become a necromancer. Okay.
Huh?
And he's like, nah,
Ooh.
I don't want to do that. I'm not a mage, I'm an assassin type. I want to kill people.
Yeah,
just go
yeah,
cut
yeah.
them up. And then the system is like, hey, this is a hidden class. Are you sure you want to do this? You'll never get the option again. He's like, hidden class sounds powerful. Okay, I'll become a necromancer. And what he does is he defeats like any opponent he defeats, right? If he's strong enough, if he's a
Yeah.
high enough level, he basically extracts their shadow and makes the demon or whatever being his slave. So
Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Ha.
so he almost dies against this one knight called Igris. Okay, and he wins because Igris is an honorable knight, and when he loses his weapon, Igris throws away his weapon and fights him bare hands. Okay, and in the end,
I
he grabs
see.
his knife and sticks it straight into Igris's eye because he's fully covered in armor.
Mm-hmm.
And then he raises Igris, and Igris becomes his main fighting weapon afterwards.
Wow. Dude, it's like this thing when you're playing like Naruto or Dragon Ball Z, you call an assist to fight. Is it something
Yeah, but
like
that's the
that?
thing. That's the thing. In those situations, you be like, "Hey, you come in, help me out, and go back." Here, these guys are like
Yeah.
just there. They're like his army. He 1v thousands people
Oh,
because of
there's an
how strong
army.
his army is.
Okay, I see.
It's insane, man. Solo
But
leveling.
dude,
Did not
do you
expect to
know-
like it that much.
Are we done
Yeah.
with the spoiler content?
Yes, we're done with the spoiler content.
why did you? No, Adi, we are still continuing
Oh, okay,
for a
we're
while.
still
You
spoiling.
can mute yourself again. Yeah. 1 second, Adi, mute yourself.
No, I muted.
But,
whatever.
No, don't mute, bro. Man, my plan failed, dude. I was gonna keep Audi muted and be like, bro, let's pretend like we're still
Oh my
talking
God.
about solo leveling.
Yeah, I could still hear you at the end of the day. Nice. Good job.
damn it. That would have been so much fun.
It
Would it?
But yeah, seriously, all the manga I've read in the last 2 months, solo leveling is without a doubt the best. Insane,
My God.
absolutely insane. And the thing
Even
is, like,
I
it's very
found
creative.
the manga. Mhm.
Yeah, the
Oh yeah, what we think it's very creative.
yeah, the characters are insane. So you remember I had a problem with Hunter X Hunter and the Chimera Ant arc. These guys have
yeah, you
ants
did,
as
yes.
well, okay. But and it's a very similar thing actually. The ants are like OP and they're killing everybody, and this guy takes care of them. But this arc went so much better. I was like, beautiful, love it.
It's ongoing.
Yeah, it's ongoing. Oh my god, it is pretty hype right now.
Nice. Who was listening, check out Solo Leveling.
Yeah, and it's exactly like an MMO because at one point you are so OP that you just go up to someone. You know it's like Skyrim where you want to like bitch slap somebody just because you can, and you have so much power that not even dragons can come and kill you. It's like that.
That is true.
This dude is basically the Dragonborn over there.
That did happen. Yeah, I relate to that because like later in Skyrim I became level 88 and I just used to go around
Yeah.
to shotting people. I didn't care about anything.
Yeah, and the thing is like, okay,
Yeah, so
I
that-
never got far in Skyrim because I'm a noob. But you're like, I'm pretty sure you could go to any village and kill a random person or kill a chicken or something and not get
dude,
caught for it because
they
you're that
couldn't
strong.
touch me.
Yeah.
No. I can burn down the whole village, without any issue.
Yeah, see, this dude is like that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I like it because it's like a proper game. This dude is the main character of a game, and everybody else is an NPC.
He's a glitch, but he's a glitch in the game.
That's
Or
the
his
thing. There is
character's
no
glitch.
game. The game
And
is
he's
made
taking
for
a-
him. It seems like.
Oh yeah, there is no game. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah,
It's just
there is
beautiful.
no game except for him, basically.
Yeah, except for him. And he just goes insane. And he actually
I
has
see.
to decide
So-
like how many points do I put in which stat. It reminded me exactly of Assassin's Creed at that point because you have to I think it was which one was it? Christ, which was the UK one?
Syndicate.
Syndicate. Yes.
Any game.
In Syndicate.
Any game.
No, in Syndicate
Yeah.
especially, you had to like be very careful about how you wanted to build each character. So like Evie would need you had to level up her stealth and the ability for her
Yeah.
to one shot people by upgrading her little thingy shooting thingy. So all that stuff was it reminded me exactly of that because this guy is like my strength needs this much, and also Tales of Pirates because Sid has already said it. I don't want to say it again. But even there, you have to be like, okay, I choose this skill, and then you have to go kill monsters to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
certain parts to upgrade your skills later. Beautiful. It's actually like watching. I can't wait for the anime, man. It's going to be like watching a game. Okay, it's going to be what
Yeah, it
gamers do
should
on
be,
Twitch all the
yeah.
time. Except it's going to be an anime form.